Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Chand Kamar Dhannalal Pokharna Memorial Award, Mr. Ajay Pokharna. Mrs. Chand Kamar Dhannalal Pokharna Memorial Award, Quiz Competition Award goes to Saurabh Joshi. Congrats, Saurabh. May you go ahead like this in your life. I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Leher Kamar Harak Chand Bafna Memorial Award, Mr. Gyan Chand Ji Bafna. Mrs. Leher Kamar Har Chand Bafna Memorial Award goes to Shweta Parikh. Shweta, congrats. May you feel colors of rainbow in your life. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Puma Devi Goluk Chand Sharma Memorial Award, Mr. Ramdayal Sharma Ji. Mrs. Puma Devi Goluk Chand Sharma Memorial Award, Best Music Award goes to Nikita Kumawat. Congrats, Nikita. May you have harmony with your life, rhythm of your choice, beat of success in your life. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Shri Manoj Baradia Memorial Award, Mr. Hanuman Singh Baradia. Shri Manoj Baradia Memorial Best Sports Award goes to Mamta Jat. Congrats, Mamta. May you win all the hurdles and kick off new spirit in your life. She participated in state level Kabaddi. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of पूज्य प्रवर्तक पन्नालाल जी सा मेमोरियल अवार्ड, शांतिलाल जी चपलोत. पूज्य प्रवर्तक पन्नालाल जी मेमोरियल अवार्ड, बेस्ट सोशल सर्विस अवार्ड गोज टू शशांक चोपड़ा. It is sponsored by Shri Pragya Yuva Mandal, Vijayanagar. Congrats, Shashank. May this day turn over new leaf in your life and you may go many places. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Srimati Ratan Kamar Nathulal Pokharna Memorial Award, Srimati Chandkala Pokharna Ji. Srimati Ratan Kamar Nathulal Pokharna Memorial Best Games Award goes to Lalit Gurjar. Congrats, Lalit. In the matter of fact, this boy leaves no stone unturned when he plays. May you always come with flying colors. He got second position in state level cricket. Now I would like to call the sponsor of Srimati Ratan Kamar Nathulal Pokarna Memorial Award, Mrs. Chandrakala Ji Pokarna. Mrs. Ratan Kamar Nathulal Pokarna Memorial Award, Best Excellency Award goes to Ram Prasad Chaudhary. Ram Prasad got highest marks in board exams. Congrats Ram Prasad. May you steal a march on everyone. Love and luck your ways today, tomorrow and always. Now I would like to call the sponsor of Mr. Parasmal Pawan Devji Chaudhary Memorial Award, Mr. Anil Ji Chaudhary. Mr. Parasmal Pawan Devji Chaudhary Memorial Award, Best Writing Award goes to Khushbu Verma. It is said if you want to be famous, do something worth writing or write something worth reading. Congrats Khushbu. Now I would like to call the sponsor of Mr. Bejnath Sanadhe Memorial Award, Mr. Om Prakash Sanadhe. Mr. Bejnath Sanadhe Memorial Best Scout Award goes to Mukesh Gurjar. Congrats Mukesh. May you steal a march on everyone. Now I would like to call the sponsor of Mr. Ratanlal Sakla Memorial Award, Mr. Abhayji Sakla. Mr. Ratanlal Sakla Memorial Best Child Scientist Award goes to Gautam Soni. Congrats Gautam. May Almighty shower upon you the Newton's curiosity, Aryabhat's brain and Einstein's intelligence. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Mrs. Pushpa Devi Bant Memorial Award, Mr. Uttam Chand Bant. Mrs. Pushpa Devi Bant Memorial Best Dance Award goes to Vidika Soni. Congrats Vidika. May you feel rapture with what Almighty offer you. Now, I would like to call the sponsor of Shri Moolchand Raka Memorial Award, Shri Deep Chand Ji, Rajendra Kumar Raka. Shri Moolchand Raka Memorial Best Most Active Award goes to Ayushi Sharma. At such a small age, she showed her potentialities. She is versatile, sincere, hardworking and obedient. Congrats Ayushi. I would like to call the sponsor of Gattu Devi Umrao Singh Ji Karnawat Memorial Award, Shri Guman Singh Ji Karnawat. Gattu Devi Umrao Singh Ji Karnawat Memorial Award, Best Girl, Pragya Lodha. Congrats, Pragya. May you make headway in your life. Last but not least, I would like to call upon stage Shri Sampath ji to give the Best Excellency Award. Excellency Award goes to Nikita Jain. I request Shri Sampath Lalji Lunawat to come upon stage to honor Nikita Jain. She got 50th position at state level and first position in Masuda Tehsil. As an Indian culture, commence everything by homaging Almighty God. Let's trigger today's
गुरुवर की शरणम जैनम जयतु शासनम जैनम जयतु शासनम जैनम जयतु शासनम शासनम
टांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नावा त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या धरणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावा करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे गणेश देवा श्री 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 गणेश